Hi guys, in this video we will learn how to render floor plans in Photoshop like this. Before opening your Photoshop, first we have to prepare our floor plan for Photoshop render. Open your floor plan in AutoCAD or software which you are using to design your floor plan. This is the floor plan that we will render in Photoshop like this. First, we will add a print marker. One at upper right corner like this and second at lower left corner. This will help us a lot when we will be working in Photoshop. Now, we will split our floor plan in 5 pieces. Select the whole floor plan with print markers and copy that 5 times. Give a proper name like this or as you wish. First, select the entire floor plan and then deselect those which you want to keep. In this case, I will keep all the lines. If I am of any help to you, please consider subscribing. Do the same for all plans. Now we will export all the plans in PDF format because the PDF has a transparency channel. Now press Ctrl P and select your PDF printer. Select paper size A4 or which you prefer. In plot area, choose window option and select your drawing inside print marker. That's why we add print markers. Choose plot offset to center and drawing orientation to portrait or landscape and hit OK. Save all floor plans pieces at the same location for better organization. Do the same for all plans. Now open your Photoshop, open the downloaded template. First, look at the layer structure. These are 5 layers where you have to paste your PDF plan accordingly as their name. Open all your PDF in Photoshop. Now, select PDF called line. Press Ctrl A, press Ctrl C, then close that files without saving. Back to your PSD template, click on the smart layer icon called line. It will open in a new file and press Ctrl Shift B, then Ctrl S to save that document and close it. Do the same for all 5 PDFs. Just copy and paste it at the respective layer. Now your Photoshop render is ready. You only just need to tweak color as you want. If you want to change background color, simply go into the background layer folder and click the color icon of the background layer and choose what color you want and done. Now select your wall layer and double click on layer style icon to open layer style option box. Choose color overlay and then desired color for walls and done. Do the same for other layers. If you want to add some noise to your background, go to noise folder and turn on noise layer, which is suited to your project. And done.